there, welcome back. So, a couple of years ago, I saw these feathers and wedges on some YouTube channel, probably a couple of years ago now, and I always thought it was neat the way they split rocks with them. So I saw them set for sale and thought I'd give them a try. So this is my attempt at that. Hope you enjoy. What are we up to today? I got a set of wedges and feathers. This is what each one looks like. This is one set. 2 wedges, a feather, and a piece of rubber to hold it together. I've always kind of been fascinated by this. I don't even know why or where I even saw it the first time. But the basic idea is you can use these to split rocks. Drill a series of holes, put these in, tap these down, it spreads, the rock splits in theory. That's the simplified version. These come in different sizes. For the big rocks, you need the bigger ones. These ones are 9/16, so the hole we'll drill is 9/16, and these should fit right down in there. Have to drill it deep enough that you can put the feather all the way down. And that's about all I know about this. I've never done this before. I thought it might be fun to try videoing my first time ever trying this. So this rock was sitting down on the edge of my property, and you can't probably see it in the camera there, but it's got four sides that are kind of flat already. The one it's sitting on, and these 3. So if I take this one off and this one off, it should make kind of a block. I don't really have any plan for it, but that's my idea. So let's give it a try. I'm thinking maybe 1, 2, probably 3 across here. Sure, why not? So I'm going to drill 3 holes deep, about to the top of the thing there. Hammer drill, hammer drill. All right, let's try. So I want it to go right about here. After rock first, this is about as hard as it gets. The hard granite from up here. All right, obviously the wedges have to push the way that you are planning to go. I don't know if there's any technique to this, or if they should be down a certain distance or what, but we'll just do that. Hope for the best. Okay. I'd like to have one of those like 2.5-pound mallets, like a mini version of the sledgehammer, but I don't have one, so let's try this first. I don't know what happens if the rock doesn't split. I don't know if you get these back out or not. Hopefully we don't have to find out. They are still going down, so. I think it cracked. I heard a crack. Look at that. Ah, did over here. Look at that. Very cool. Oh. Okay, it didn't crack straight down like I was hoping. Less cool. Maybe if I flip it and start from the other side? It's not ideal having to drill it twice, but... Oh, buddy, ground. There you go, buddy. Yeah, there you go. Okay. So I'm just noticing these have these little ears right here, which seem to fit really nicely in the top of the hole, keep from going down. That must be how far you're supposed to put them down. All right, let's see if this does any better. There, you can see it cracking right there. See it in the dust. There it is there. Right along here. So hopefully it cuts all the way through this time. I think I'm trying to split a piece off. It's too close to the edge, is why it split off last time instead of going through. So I don't know if this one's going to do. Ah, that's better. Throw this over the wall. So that's not too bad for my first time ever trying that. Kind of a funny split first, but huh. Like I say, I don't really have any plans for this or anything. I'm basically just kind of fooling around a little bit. If you're watching the dog, he saw a rabbit down there the other day and smelled it. And ever since, he's been convinced there's one down there. Alright, so what now? I kind of want to see if I can split it right in the middle. Let's try it. Say this is just fooling around, not really for anything. Why not? So 3 seems to be a good number for this size rock. 2 might even be, no, down the middle I'll do 3. bunny down there? Yeah, bunnies, yeah. Where are those bunnies? Yeah, good boy. Get those bunnies. Yeah, where are those bunnies? Where are they? Stupid bunnies. Yeah, get those silly bunnies. Okay, so I'm deviating from my original plan a little bit. I'm not trying to make a block anymore. I'm just kind of seeing this is like splitting right down the middle, see if it'll go cleanly, as opposed to that kind of half double split I had to do on that side. So let's give it a try. So that's about it, just to tighten it up. Starts putting a little force on it. So I'm not hitting it very hard at all. I'm basically just letting the hammer fall on it. Now swing the hammer as opposed to I don't want to sound like one of those but really want to have safety glasses on for this. I used to be bad for not wearing them, but a couple of incidents now I'm pretty careful. But just even drilling, I was getting some stuff hit me in the face. So I can certainly see how it could. So let's see what we got here. So it's cracking pretty straight on that side. So let's give it a little bit more down here. Huh? You can hear it cracking. Neat. There we go. She's pretty much done. Look at that. Okay, well, that is hardly the straight lines I've seen a couple of times that I've seen people do this on YouTube. I've really only ever seen this a couple of times, so God knows if my technique is right. But that's not too bad. It's got a bit of a bump there, but you could certainly use that for something. If you want to do a foundation or something for a building like a camp out in the woods, dig down, you can make a nice flat foundation. Wouldn't take very long to split them up. Decoration around the yard, some steps. I mean, not like this, but you know what I mean. Pretty cool. Surprisingly easy to split what's got to be one of the harder rocks around. I mean, Canadian Shield granite. There's not much tougher than that. There you go. Inside of that rock probably hasn't been seen in 5 or 3 billion years. Not 5 billion. Neat. I guess that's it. That's my first time ever trying splitting rocks with wedges and feathers. That's all it took. Really no effort. You saw how hard I was hitting that with the hammer. Not very hard at all. When you consider splitting a rock that size. I'm impressed. Fun. I just got to come up with a purpose.